Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms. To get started, you want to be signed into your Google account. Hover your mouse here to make sure you're signed in. So you want to type Google Forms and then you want to click the first link you see here. So you want to go to Forms. As you can see here, we have a blank and we can create for contact information, we can create for RSVP, and we can create forms for party invite. We can also create forms for t-shirts sign up. You want to go ahead and click on blank. You want to click here to rename your form. And you want to click here to write any description that you may have about this form, and perhaps any instructions that you want to give. Alright, you want to type the instructions here, and you want to click here to type your first question. Let's say your first question is for them to give their name. You can just simply say name. Alright, and you want to choose from the list here if you want a short answer, paragraph, which is a long answer, multiple choice, boxes. So I'm going to go for short answer. Alright, so you want to check this box if it is required or not. So I'm going to check this box to let them know it is required. Okay, you want to click plus here to ask another question. Let's say your second question is for them to provide their email. You want to go in here and select if you want a short answer or a long answer or multiple choice answer. I'm going to go for short answer. Once you're satisfied, you want to click here to add another question. And here, I want to ask the question, have you subscribed? So the first option should be yes or no, alright? And you want to click outside to save your changes, okay? And here is also required, okay? And you want to click the plus sign to ask another question. This time around, I'll ask them to leave me a comment. And sorry, we didn't choose something here. Here, we will leave it at multiple choice, okay? And right here, I just want a short answer. So, but for this question, I want it to be a paragraph, okay? I don't want a short answer. I don't want multiple choices. I just want a paragraph because they may have a lot of things to write about. You also want to make this required. So once you're done, let's say this is all the questions that you have to ask. You want to go ahead and click on the eye here to preview what you've done. As you can see, they have an asterisk here indicating that they are required for whoever it is that is going to be filling out this form. Let's say you're not satisfied and you have other things you want to add to this form. You want to go ahead and click this icon here. Let's say you want to change the theme of this look. You want to go ahead and click customize theme. And here you can choose the theme color. If you don't want blue, you can change it to something, let's say red. Alright, if that color kind of identifies with your company. And you also want to choose an image for the header. Let's say what you're doing has to do with music. You want to choose this as your header and click on insert. You can also change the background color and also change the font style. I'm gonna go with playful. Okay, once you're done right here, okay, you can also click here to see all references when they start coming in. Alright, and once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go ahead and click on preview again. So right now you see we have every changes we have made. Our texts have been changed. Now I have this image here. Alright, so once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go back to edit, and this time you want to go ahead and click on send. So you can send via email, Facebook, or Twitter. And you can also send via a link. Alright, you can just copy this link and send it to them. Remember, you have to check this box to include your form in your email. So you enter your email here and you want to check this box to include the form in your email. Alright, once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on send, and that will send everything. This is how to create and share Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.